Hello friends, welcome to our channel All in One. Today we are here with a new video for you guys. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Today our video topic is the 10 most amazing facts about dreams to know in 2020. At first, we have to know what is a dream. A dream is a succession of images, ideas, emotions, and sensations that usually occur involuntarily in the mind during certain stages of sleep. The content and purpose of dreams are not fully understood, although they have been a topic of scientific, philosophical, and religious interest Throughout history, both researchers and laymen have been examining dreams trying to find their meaning. Still, while there are several theories, they have not managed to explain why our minds create these elusive stories and images while we sleep. There are so many questions that are yet to be answered. However, this article will give you a quick overview of what scientists and psychologists have found out so far. The most fantastic dreams, facts, and stats. Number 1. It's likely that animals dream too. Number 2. Visual dreams are the most common type of dreams. Number 3. Dream content differs among genders. Number 4. Babies and toddlers don't have dreams about themselves. Number 5. Between 50% and 85% of adults have nightmares occasionally. Number 6. 60% to 75% of adults have recurring dreams. Number 7. Some of the greatest inventions originated in dreams. Number 8. 18% to 63% of people claim that they have had a precognitive dream. The first dream dictionary originates from ancient Egypt. It dates back to 4000 BCE. Apparently, people have been interested in interpreting their dreams for thousands of years. After all, most of us have wondered, what do dreams mean? Nevertheless, experts claim that there are no universal symbols. Each dream reflects personal feelings or problems. We forget up to 95% of all our dreams shortly after waking up. That's why some people think that they don't dream. However, it's believed that we all dream every night. Only people with personality disorders may not dream. Blind people also dream. According to a study from 2017, even people who are blind since birth can have visual dreams. It's likely that animals dream too. One of the more interesting facts about dreams is that experiments have suggested that animals probably also dream. In one study, scientists found out that a rat's brain activity while it was awake was very similar to that in REM sleep. Although we can't be absolutely certain that their dreams look like ours, it's very likely that they do dream. We have 4 to 6 dreams every night. Although we can dream during any sleep stage, the most vivid dreams occur during REM, rapid eye movement sleep. Since a new sleep cycle begins every 90 to 120 minutes, the REM phase occurs 4 to 6 times per night. A typical dream lasts 5 to 20 minutes. According to researchers, we dream for about 2 hours every night. During that time, we normally have a few dreams of different durations from 5 to 20 minutes. A fascinating fact is that we on average spend about 6 years dreaming during our lifetime. We are paralyzed during rapid eye movement sleep. While we dream, motor neurons are not stimulated, so we can't move our muscles. This state is called rapid eye movement atonia. However, people with a rapid eye movement sleep behavior disorder are able to move during rapid eye movement sleep and can act out their dreams. Although this may seem like one of the funny facts about dreams, it's a serious state that can result in injuries. 1% to 15% of people sleepwalk. This behavior disorder is characterized by walking or moving while still fast asleep. It generally occurs in the deep sleep stage beside walking. Sleepwalkers commonly perform other complex activities as well. For example, they can get dressed, prepare food, or drive a car. Some of them can even become violent. Some of the common myths about dreams and sleeping is that you should not wake up a sleepwalker in most cases. This is not true. For the sake of everyone's safety, sometimes it's even desirable to wake them up instead of letting them wander around. Also, sleepwalking can occur as a consequence of their sleep disorders, such as sleep apnea. Most of the people dream in pastel colors. When researchers woke up people participating in a study and asked them to pick colors from their dreams, most of them choose the pastel ones, although a majority of people dream in color. Some dreamers, about 12%, claim that they only dream in black and white. We can dream only about people we have seen before. Yet another of cool facts about dreams, all the faces we see in our dreams are from our real life. Whether we have seen them on the street or we actually know them, characters from our dreams are real people. Conclusion: everybody dreams. Although we forget most of our dreams, our minds are kept busy throughout the night while our bodies are at rest. Some believe that we dream to consolidate our memories. Others claim that dreams give us an opportunity to sort out our emotions. However, the role of our these nighttime hallucinations is yet to be fully explained. Here we have compiled as many interesting dreams facts as possible to give you better insight into the topic. Anyway, no matter if you remember your dreams or not, keep in mind that dreaming is part of a normal sleep process and that you need it to fully recharge. Sweet dreams. Please do like, comment, and share our videos for a richer content. Thanks for watching our videos.